If you've ever sold an investment property and thought, wait, I have to pay how much in taxes? Then this video is for you, because a 1031 exchange is one of the most powerful tools real estate investors use to build wealth without handing over a big chunk of it to the IRS every time they sell. And if you're looking at places like Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, or the Smoky Mountains, this is something you really need to understand. So in this video, I'm going to break it down, what a 1031 exchange actually is, how it works, the biggest mistakes people make, and I'm going to walk you through a real world example of what a great 1031 replacement property looks like right here in our market. Because this is one of those things that people nod like they understand and then quietly Google it later in the car. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I'm Heidi Hines, a local realtor here in East Tennessee. And on this channel, we talk about living, working, playing, investing, and relocating to the Smoky Mountains. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing here, go ahead and hit subscribe, because that's exactly what we do. Before we jump in, quick disclaimer. I'm not a CPA and I'm not giving tax advice. I'm giving you the real estate side, the practical side, and the local East Tennessee side of how this works. If you're doing a 1031 exchange, you absolutely want your CPA and your qualified intermediary involved. But if you want this explained in plain English, I got you. So let's start simple. A 1031 exchange is a strategy that allows you to sell an investment property and reinvest the proceeds into another investment property without immediately paying capital gains taxes. Not tax-free, tax-deferred. That matters. Let me simplify it. You sell a property that you made money on. Normally, you would owe taxes on that gain. A 1031 exchange lets you roll that money forward into another property instead of cashing out and getting taxed right now. So instead of sell and pay, it's sell and swap. Now, why do people actually do this? Well, usually one of four reasons. They want to upgrade. They want to move from a smaller property into something bigger or more profitable. They want to reposition themselves. Maybe they're tired of one type of property and they want something different. They want a better market. And this is where East Tennessee comes in. Or they might want better income or long-term growth. And this is exactly why we see so many people looking at the Smoky Mountains. Now let's talk about why investors land here in the Smokies. First, tourism demand. This is one of the most visited areas in the country. Second, short-term rental potential. People aren't just buying property, they're buying income-producing assets. And third, the lifestyle. They can actually use and enjoy the property. And fourth, diversification. We see a lot of buyers moving money from other states into East Tennessee. People come here for a weekend, and next thing you know it, they're calling their accountant. Now, let me give you a real-world example of what a strong 1031 replacement property can look like. Here's a property in Sevierville I'm going to share with you. This is exactly the kind of property that tends to catch the attention of 1031 buyers. Why? Because it checks a lot of boxes. It's in a prime Smoky Mountain location close to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and all the attractions. It's designed for short-term rental use, which means it has income potential, ding, ding, ding. It's the kind of property that appeals to vacationers, which is exactly what drives bookings in this market. And this is important. It's not just pretty. Pretty, yes, practical. That's what matters. A good 1031 replacement property needs to be marketable, desirable, and aligned with what renters actually want. And properties like this one in Sevierville, when they're positioned correctly, they can check those boxes. Now here's where people get themselves in a pickle. Not every property qualifies. A 1031 exchange is for investment or business use property, not your primary residence. So generally speaking, rentals, cabins, short-term rentals, multifamily, land held for investment, and one big misconception. people here like kind and they think they have to trade the same type of property. That's not true. You can go from land to a cabin, cabin to multifamily, multifamily to commercial. It's broader than people think. Now, how does this actually work? Step 1, you sell your investment property. Step 2, you do not touch the money. Once you touch the money, the IRS is like, well, pay up, that was fun. So the funds go to a qualified intermediary. Then you have 45 days to identify your replacement property and 180 days total to close. 45 days to identify and 180 to close. Sounds like a lot of time until you start shopping. Let's talk about where this goes sideways, because it can. Mistake number 1, you wait too long. Mistake number 2, thinking you'll figure it out later. That 45-day window is real. Mistake number 3, you touch the money. Mistake number 4, buying the wrong property. A bad deal with tax deferral is still a bad deal. And this is where local knowledge matters, especially in a market like the Smokies, because not every cabin is a good investment. And this is something I tell clients all the time. Vacation Heidi and investor Heidi do not always want the same property. Some cabins look amazing online, but don't perform. Others are not flashy at all, but make a whole lot more sense. And the Smokies will absolutely expose that difference. If you're doing a 1031 exchange, you need a team. You need a CPA, a qualified intermediary, a lender, and a local agent. My role, helping you identify properties here that actually make sense, not just what looks good online. So if you're thinking about selling an investment property and rolling that into something here in East Tennessee, that is absolutely a conversation I'd be happy to have with you. I can help you think through areas, property types, what tends to perform, and what to avoid. My contact information is in the description and below. And even if you're still in the just trying not to do anything dumb phase, that is honestly the best time to reach out. Hopefully this has helped make 1031 exchanges a whole lot clearer, because when they're used correctly, they can be incredibly powerful. And if you're looking at East Tennessee, not just as a place to visit, but as a place to invest, relocate, or build long-term wealth, you're in the right place. If you got value out of this video, make sure you subscribe, tap the bell, and I'm Heidi Hines, and I hope to see you in the Smokies.